Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your study abroad preparation with GoAbroad, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your study abroad preparation with GoAbroad, start by visiting the GoAbroad website. Explore the homepage to get a sense of the resources available. Use the search bar to look for programs that fit your academic goals. Filter your search results by location, program type, or field of study. Take note of program details, including duration, costs, and eligibility requirements. Create a free account to save programs that interest you. Read reviews from students who have previously participated in those programs. Check for any webinars or virtual information sessions that may be offered. Gather information on visas, accommodation, and insurance requirements. Take advantage of the scholarships section for potential funding options. Contact program coordinators directly for any specific questions you might have. Join GoAbroad's social media platforms for updates and additional support. Network with fellow students or alumni who have studied abroad. Start preparing your application materials, including transcripts and recommendation letters. Review your financial situation and create a budget for your trip. Plan for language requirements if you are studying in a non-English speaking country. Double-check deadlines for applications and other necessary preparations. Create a timeline to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Stay organized and keep all your documents in one place. Follow up on application statuses regularly to ensure everything is on track. Finally, gear up for an exciting adventure that awaits you abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe